Hello guys, welcome to my channel MZM TV. Today I will tell you how to change the Google Map language. Guys, as you know, the default Google Map language is in English. So you can change your language. If you want to change your language in Urdu, in Hindi, in Punjabi, you can easily. Just follow my step. Before starting the video, it's my humble request to the new visitor. If they did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get the latest videos. So guys, let's start. First of all, you have to open your Google Map. Here you see in the top right corner where is my showing my photos. Click here and now go to the setting. Here the first option, app language. There you have many languages. If you want to change your language in Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi, you can easily. So I will select my language in Punjabi. Now as you can see, your language is in Punjabi. The Google Map will guide you in Punjabi.
बाई मड़ें, फिर दाएं मड़ें, दाएं मड़ें, 300 मीटर्स बाद दाएं मड़ें।
I hope you like my videos. Thank you. See you later.